When businesses choose Zipit, they're not just getting connectivity or a platform. They're getting a team that's invested in their success. We know that launching and managing cellular deployments isn't always simple. And when challenges come up, our customers know they can rely on us to help navigate them. That's what makes Zipit more than just a service provider. We're a true partner. Hi, I'm Colleen Patterson, VP of Customer Relations at Zipit. Whether it's troubleshooting connectivity with carriers, walking customers through onboarding, or pulling in hardware and certification partners, support is built into how we operate as a company.
We've been through this process ourselves, so we know what it takes. One of our customers, a telemetry device company, ran into a frustrating issue. Devices in certain countries weren't accessing critical network features like EDRX. Without it, their devices weren't performing as expected, and troubleshooting across multiple carriers on their own would have been a slow, complex process. Because of Zipit's direct carrier relationships, we pulled in network engineering teams across North America and Asia from 2 different carriers to get to the root of the issue and get a resolution. That's the kind of hands-on support that sets Zipit apart.
With Zipit, customers don't have to guess. We help them craft the right plans, whether it's global roaming, NB-IoT, LTE, or 5G, so their devices can ship and function in key markets without issues. And because we work directly with Tier 1 carriers, customers can be confident that their devices have the right access and coverage, whether they need high data plans or specialized connectivity features.
Without strong carrier partnerships, customers are often left troubleshooting issues alone, navigating support channels that don't fully understand their business. But Zipit acts as a direct bridge to carrier engineering teams, giving our customers faster resolutions and more reliable connectivity. Instead of struggling with trial and error, they get expert guidance and direct access to the network resources they need, helping them deploy products faster and with more confidence.
At Zipit, support isn't just about fixing problems. It's about setting customers up for success from day one. That's why our onboarding and training process is hands-on and tailored to each customer's needs. During onboarding, we walk customers through everything, from setting up alerts for potential issues like overages to end customers using more data than planned in a billing period. We take the time to understand their goals, so they're not just using the platform, they're using it effectively.
We understand that our customers rely on us to keep their businesses connected and running smoothly, which is why we've been committed to delivering timely, reliable, and effective support for more than 15 years and counting.
At Zipit, we're more than a platform. We're an extension of your team.
If you're looking for more than just a support line and want a partner to help you navigate the complexities of global IoT connectivity, we'd love to talk. We're ready when you are.